Hello, good morning. How are you? Today I would like to teach you the lecture on communication skills. Communication means how to impart our ideas to the people, to the students, to the people who come across in our life. So, first of all, I would like to tell you what are communication skills. Communication skills are foundations of the people who want to impart or export views in their daily life. In English literature, we have to communicate with the people in different types or different modes of life. So, communication in Hindi we can say संप्रेषण, information imparting, or we can say that we can communicate to the people either in verbal or written methods. For example, in the world, even birds communicate each other, even the animals communicate each other, but the people who are known as the very intelligent people, creature in the society. So communication skills play a very important, vital role in our life. Communication skills. What are skills? Skills means something we have different type of doing anything in different manner. It's clear that everybody has his different type of method of doing anything. In Hindi we can call it hunar, kosher. So communication skills are very important so far as the question of SLWR concerned. SLWR. S means speaking. L means listening. W writing and R reading. So I would like to tell you the skills one by one. Students, see all the types of skills in front of you. Just a minute, I use the pointer to indicate how the skills are understood. So please see. Communication skills. Communication skills start with the concept SLWR. It is generally asked whether the skills come first or later. Which skill comes first? Whether speaking or reading or writing or listening. Speaking. Just as a child gets his birth, he starts to speak. He tries to weep but speaks a letter, a vowel, a consonant. So speaking is the first concept, first skill in our communication. Whenever he or she feels thirsty, hungry, he asks his or her mother about his feet or hunger. So speaking comes first. Speaker. In communication skills, speaking skill has the topmost ranking. Why? Because it impacts, it affects the people in its ability to communicate. So speaking comes very first. If you are a good speaker, the people will come to you and listen to you. So a speaker has the capacity to impart information of communication skills. For example, when we listen the song, the speech of a person who has an effective method of speaking, delivering his speech. We are attracted towards him because he has an art to speak. Second comes listening. Listening in the sense that a good speaker can't be a good speaker if he doesn't have listening capacity. So it is generally told that a good speaker, a perfect speaker must be a good listener. If the students listen the lecture delivered by lecture professor, he learns by heart whatever the teacher told him. So listening capacity is very important. For example, there are two words, hear and listen. Both the same meaning, sunna. But can you tell me that what is the basic difference between listen and hear? Hear, in ordinary sense, we hear something echoed or resounded outside. For example, we are studying communication skills in the room and we are also hearing some noise outside of the song, of the chirping of the birds, but we are not seriously taken. We only hear that someone might be singing. But if we attentively hear or listen the song, it is listening. It is listening. Listening means to capture, to grasp the power of listening attentively in a very observing manner. So listening becomes very important rather than hearing. Hearing has some surface meaning, but listening has a deep meaning that affects us. Next comes writing. Writing skill is also important, though every skills are important, but writing skills are very important. Why? Because it provides us the record, data, proofs, and if we want to convince anybody, it is the writing capacity, writing skills that enables us to convince him, to make him believe of the records data. So writing leaves a proof, leaves a test or testimony for the person. For example, Francis Bacon says that it is writing that makes a man exact. Reading or listening may be an enhancing effect on the reader, but writing imposes the power, the quality to listen everything very attentively. It follows the rules, the norms, the regulations in a very sensitive manner. And next or last, reading. Reading. Reading skills is also very important because if we don't know to read or to understand, to comprehend the paragraph, how can we examine, analyze all the other skills, writing, listening and speaking? And reading skills enables us to comprehend, to understand whatever has been told by the people. So reading enables a student to understand the content, the subject matter, the central idea, the thought, the content understood or hidden by the author. So communication skills have an impact on the people, on the reader or the people who communicate with their moods. Besides these, we have gestures, gestures, body language, and other things that provides us the communication facility. Some people are dumb, they are deaf, they are blind, but they can communicate with the help of other things of gestures, of the body expression, body language, and in other ways of expressing their feelings to the people. There is a general proverb: a meaningful silence is better than a meaningless speech. It means it is silence that also gives a reply, answer to the communication in the people. So, my views regarding the communication skills are in front of you, and in examination, the coordination, the combinations of all the other four communication skills are important because they connect the readers, the people in their communication facility. Thank you, students. This lesson will be very important for you so far as the dialogues, communications between the people or among the crowd are concerned. Thank you.